far in the icy waters of the Arctic, where towering icebergs drift silently and frigid winds sweep across a frozen world, there lives a creature so mystical it has fueled myths for centuries: the narwhal. Known as the unicorn of the sea, the narwhal is a medium-sized whale that has captivated explorers, scientists, and storytellers alike. Its most striking feature is its long, spiral tusk, which can grow up to 3 meters in length, resembling the horn of a mythical unicorn. For centuries, these tusks were sold as unicorn horns in Europe, adding to the animal's legendary status. Today, scientists know much more about these fascinating whales, but their mysterious lives beneath the Arctic ice still hold many secrets. Narwhals belong to the same family as beluga whales, and like their relatives, they are well adapted to life in the harsh Arctic. These whales are found in the waters of Canada, Greenland, Norway, and Russia, often in areas with dense sea ice. They are medium-sized whales, typically measuring around 4–5 meters in length, with males being larger than females. Unlike most whales, narwhals don't have a dorsal fin, which allows them to swim easily beneath the ice. Their sleek, speckled bodies provide camouflage in the icy waters, helping them avoid predators like orcas and polar bears. The narwhal's iconic tusk is actually an elongated upper left canine tooth that grows through the lip. While both males and females can have tusks, they are far more common and larger in males. Scientists once believed the tusk was only for fighting or attracting mates, but research has revealed that it's a sensory organ, packed with millions of nerve endings. Narwhals can use their tusks to detect changes in water temperature, pressure, and salinity, giving them an incredible advantage in navigating their challenging environment. Males have also been observed tusking, a behavior where they gently rub tusks together, possibly to communicate or establish social dominance. Narwhals are deep divers, capable of reaching depths of over 1,500 meters. In search of food, they primarily eat fish, squid, and shrimp, and their hunting strategy is perfectly suited for Arctic waters. Equipped with excellent echolocation, narwhals use clicks and whistles to locate prey in the darkness below the ice. Their ability to dive deep for long periods, sometimes up to 25 minutes, makes them one of the most skilled hunters of the sea. Life in the Arctic is harsh, but narwhals are superbly adapted. During winter, they spend much of their time under thick sea ice, navigating narrow cracks and breathing through small holes. In summer, they migrate closer to coastal areas and fjords, where food is more abundant. Narwhals are social creatures, often traveling in pods of 10–20 individuals. Though larger groups of hundreds have been observed during migration, their tight-knit pods are a crucial survival strategy, helping them navigate dangerous waters and avoid predators. Despite their adaptations, narwhals face numerous threats today. Climate change is one of the most significant dangers, as the Arctic sea ice they depend on is melting at alarming rates. Changes in sea ice patterns affect their migration routes, hunting grounds, and protection from predators. Increased shipping traffic and oil exploration in the Arctic pose additional risks, including underwater noise pollution that disrupts their communication and echolocation abilities. Indigenous hunting also affects populations, though it is often managed sustainably and remains an important cultural tradition in Arctic communities. Currently, narwhals are classified as near threatened on the IUCN Red List, with an estimated population of around 80,000 individuals. While that number may sound large, their distribution is limited, and their dependence on Arctic sea ice makes them extremely vulnerable to environmental changes. Scientists and conservationists are closely monitoring their populations, studying their behavior, and working with indigenous communities to ensure their survival. The narwhal's cultural significance cannot be overstated. For centuries, Inuit communities have revered the narwhal, weaving it into myths and legends. Narwhal tusks were once so rare and valuable that they were traded across Europe and Asia, believed to have magical properties. In many ways, this mythical reputation has helped keep the narwhal in the global imagination, inspiring fascination and conservation efforts. Today, narwhals are often used as a symbol of Arctic wildlife, representing both the beauty and fragility of this remote ecosystem. One of the most remarkable things about narwhals is how little we still know about them. Their remote habitat and elusive behavior make them challenging to study, and much of their life remains a mystery. Even with advanced tracking technology, narwhals spend most of their time beneath the ice, far from human observation. This air of mystery adds to their allure, reminding us that the natural world still holds secrets waiting to be discovered. Narwhals play a vital role in the Arctic ecosystem as top predators. helping to keep fish and squid populations balanced. Their presence also reflects the health of their environment. When narwhals struggle, it's a warning sign that the Arctic ecosystem is under stress. Protecting narwhals means protecting the Arctic, a region that plays a critical role in regulating the Earth's climate. Seeing a narwhal in its natural habitat is a rare privilege, often described as a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Imagine the sight of a pod of narwhals surfacing in icy waters. Their spiral tusks glinting in the pale Arctic sunlight, it's a scene that feels straight out of a fantasy novel. Yet these incredible animals are real, and their survival depends on humanity's commitment to conservation. The narwhal is more than just the unicorn of the sea. It's a living link between myth and reality, a symbol of the Arctic's mystery, and a reminder of how interconnected our world truly is. Protecting narwhals is not just about saving one species, it's about preserving an entire ecosystem, and a piece of natural magic that has inspired humans for centuries.